got skits, selling more than all you niggas is albums. Come on, put some respect on my name.
Papi, give me love. No more beka, we are hona. Give me love. Tada na pela gam nandi papa, we are gizu ya bana, we are fella. Give me love. I'm simple and so papi, give me love. No more beka, we are hona. Give me love. Tada na pela gam nandi papa, we are gizu ya bana, we are fella.
Hello? Dad, I don't like this car. No, it doesn't suit my style. Like, it's red, red for blood. It's fast, fast for accidents, blood, accidents. Like, if you really, really love me, you'll get me a better car. I could use a Corolla or an Etios, because this is just too much for me, Dad. Yeah, I mean, I appreciate the gesture, but it's just too much for me. Please, can I just get a Corolla? Please. Yeah, if a 4-seater would do, because I have a lot of friends. I don't like it. It's too much for me. Dad, this is not about flexing. Please, a Corolla. Yeah, a silver Corolla. Thank you so much, Dad. Oh.
How are you?
Oh, hi, Sneh. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Is this you?
Yeah, please move away from the car.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't want you scratching it or anything.
Hey, this is beautiful.
Yeah, no. I mean, like my dad got it for me.
Okay, well, it's red too.
Yeah, and I know red is your favorite color.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
I mean, I could take you around for a spin.
Please.
No.
Okay, no.
It doesn't work like that anymore.
Okay, well, see you around.
See me around. You'll probably see me driving fast. Take care, Sneh.
I don't trust you.
Bye.
I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you, nigga. Yeah, it's something about your aura I don't fuck with. It's something about your aura I don't fuck with. I don't trust you.
Yeah, but that this stupid ass car.
Hey, German, stupid car. German, no one can look at Kumba. Kumba, taking a lift manager. Hey, man, to see Kumba. Let us sit.
Guys, be safe, man. Be gentle, please.